Hey guys, I'm here with Dan. We're at the Team Acura booth in the paddock, and we're going for like a little tour. We got Michael Shank somewhere. There he is. Here's Michael Shank walking away. And yeah, we're just taking us for a little tour, showing us the cars and some of what they do in Team Acura.
Yeah,
so
we just got a really cool behind-the-scenes tour.
Oh yeah, this is awesome. So I'm doing this little sort of a private tour with the Acura team. Check out the race car. There we go. Enjoy it. Wait, see you. Now it's gone.
What do you? I'm Mike Shank, and myself and the guy with his back to you. That's Jim Myron. Jim's the current CEO of Sirius XM. I bought him my company this last year, and big auto enthusiast. But we're getting ready to launch today. So we got both cars here are ours. All males in this, all females in that. Qualified 3rd and 11th. There's 23 of these guys here down the line here. And the way they're ordered right now is from pre-qualifying 2 weeks ago. So Bia put it on hold during that session. Now she qualified 11th for the race today. But we're in good shape. So don't worry, our engine's not very loud. Let it start here.
It's supposed to get louder.
They're getting oil pressure. Well, push them out to the front. Any other turbos?
Like that's just about as loud as my Gen 2 with my exhaust down.
Yeah, really? Is it really? So these cars, just so you guys know a little bit about these cars, obviously this is the latest gen race car, so they call it GT3 Evo. And the Evo part of it is aerodynamics. The car mechanically and engine-wise is the same from 2017 till now. Okay, so the back bumper, rear diffuser, rear wing, tail splitter. It helps our car a lot. It helps balance it aerodynamics.
How much different is that from the previous one?
It looks a bit different.
Kind of looks like the 911 or the RSR.
A little bit, very similar.
That feels, yeah.
Air is air. It doesn't care what kind of car it's running, over, under, whatever. So, you know, we just make it fit our car. You're allowed to resubmit. We call it a homologation. Got it. Okay, so we resubmitted. The FIA ran the car in Germany. They approved it. The car itself, that you guys don't know, is about 2,900 pounds. It's all motor. There's no hybrid. Okay, like a street car. Not loud. It has about 540 horsepower. I think. They'll tell you. Right? And the motor's dead stop. Exactly on something like 805. I mean, dead on. I mean, right on. We tuned it a little bit. HPD, I should say, hot performance development tuning. But otherwise, it's stop. So the frame, the engine, steering rack assembly.
That's probably a pretty light door, huh?
Oh yeah.
They're probably gonna say no, but can I pick it up? Oh yeah? I can pick it up? Oh shit. So where should I pick it up from?
Just go ahead.
Put my head right here? Oh my god. This door weighs absolutely nothing. Set that down real gently. I remember the last time I picked up a door weighed like 100 pounds. This weighs nothing. It's a 15-pound door. I get some doors. Holy shit. I need some doors for my Miata. You know, if everybody wants to send me some doors, carbon fiber doors, my address is 2427. So of course, if you're a professional race team, you're going to carry some spare parts. So it looks like here, looks like these are perhaps front hubs. They got the toolboxes, 3 toolboxes of tools. This is the air gun. Well, no, this is the electric impact wrench they use for taking off these center locking lugs. There you go. And that's a hot plate. Looks like a tea maker, teapot. Got some spare tires over there. Yeah, this is a NSX GTD car. This massive carbon fiber diffuser. There you go. There you go. Oh, they're not using carbon ceramic discs. They're using steel discs. Okay. Complete carbon fiber body.
The setup we went on.
Very nice. Very nice. Wonder if I can walk around some more of the paddock. So this is the Lexus RCF race car. Again, steel rotors. We're all prepping, getting ready to get on the track. Okay, here we have the Wins Racing AMG GT. Is it GTR perhaps? Real nice. What else we have here? Oh, nice. Ferrari Ferrari 488. It's sponsored by WeatherTech. There you go. Look at that. Oh my God. I don't know if it's coming out of the camera, but look how low the V8 is mounted in the engine bay. I mean, you can barely see it. Leading to massive twin intercoolers. Oh my gosh. There's too much glare from the lights. So it's a little difficult to see, but there's massive intercoolers on both sides of these, and that's feeding the this V8 engine. All right, Audi R8 LMS. There you go. Look at this massive fender arch for relieving high pressure air. One of the 911 RSRs. You see the flat 6 mounted mid-engine. Actually, this is a GTD car. I could be wrong. This may not be an RSR. I think it is. Another R8 LMS. Very cool. The NACA ducts up there. Probably using as brake cooling ducts, perhaps. Massive canards. What else is here? Another R8 LMS. Here we have Park Place Motorsports. They're prepping their 911 race car. The race is coming up real soon. We've got a few more hours. There we go. Yeah, it's center lock and lug right there. Another Lamborghini Huracan. Massive cannons up front. All right. Check this out. Huge brakes. There's the toe strap. All the team was scurrying about. It's another Ferrari 488. So we have some suspension components here. This is off of a Huracan GT3 with all the Lamborghini badges on it. Perhaps they were involved in an accident, or maybe some spare parts they got ready, lying around ready to go. But look how easy it is to change these control arms. I mean, look at that. 2 bolts, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just everything is just made to be bolt on, bolt off, make it as easy as possible to change if you crash. And there's the car right there. And here we are at the Let's see, Turner Motorsports, I think. Turner Motorsports BMW M6s, I believe. Very nice. Look at this. I wonder what's powering. I think it's a V8. Yeah, twin turbo V8. Look at this. There's the intakes to the V8. There's the outlet. Runs down here. The intercooler is probably somewhere in this general vicinity. Perhaps it's a water-to-air intercooler. And then down into the intakes, which are on the side. Oh wait, is this where I think it is? Is this P1 Motorsports? Oh shit! Hey, you guys are basically like down the street from me. Yeah. What's up? Here we go. V8 engine. Is it the twin turbo one? No, I think it's naturally aspirated. Is it a M156? I think. This is the M156, right? No. It's a 6.3 naturally aspirated? Cool, cool. Love the livery on this. So they're a local Florida team there. There you go. So there's the LEDs that indicate their position, I believe. Very nice. All right, guys. Well, good luck on the race. I'll catch you guys later.